Okay, so in this video, I am working in Zone 2, which is my dining room, my entryway, my library, and my laundry room. It's the middle part of the house. Makes sense to me. So I started with the end of the house where the master bedroom is on Zone 1, and then the middle part is Zone 2. So I'll be working with that today. But first, I gotta finish up this laundry that I started yesterday. Or was that the day before? Anyhow, I'm going to start in the bedroom, and I'm not doing zone cleaning in there, but my daily chores is to make the bed, so I'm going to do that. I don't always make the bed because a lot of times hubby is hanging out in the bedroom working, and today he actually had to go to a meeting, so I have the house to myself. I have the music turned up really loud, which I haven't been able to do in ages because he works from home, and he has lots of meetings, and you know, the noise is not a good thing for him. So there you go. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is wash my face. Girl, wash your face. I really like this Acure facial cleanser. I will put the link down below if you're interested. It rates pretty good on the Think Dirty app, and I'm pretty happy with it. Usually, did I say it was Tuesday? It's actually Wednesday because yesterday was Tuesday and I did a weekly home reset because we did nothing over the weekend. Hubby had off yesterday and I just didn't feel like cleaning. So, but I wanted to go ahead, and I know I've said I skip a day when I'm cleaning, and normally I do, but I wanted to take advantage of hubby not being here and getting this done. So there you go. You know, you got to tweak it however you need to, you know, and I just felt the inspiration, the motivation to go ahead and get this done today. And Zone 2 is really pretty easy. It doesn't need a whole lot of cleaning usually. It doesn't get messy. The next daily chore that I'm going to do is to start my laundry. I have 5 daily chores that I try to do every day. Don't always do it. Don't always make the bed, like I said. And if there isn't any laundry to do, then I don't, because I do try to do it daily now. I used to do it all in one day. And since starting this cleaning routine, that is one thing that has stuck. But some days I don't have enough laundry to do a load, so then I don't. While I'm in here, I'm going to do my daily chores, which is to touch up the bathroom. Really doesn't need much touched up. It actually stayed pretty clean since the last time I cleaned it, which today is Tuesday, and the last time I cleaned it was Saturday, so fully cleaned it. All right, let's get going.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know.
Come on now, try to get to bed. What are you doing?
I don't wanna go, don't wanna know. But
Try to make the bed.
coming back for more.
Come on, go.
All things up and in a we're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in a rough life. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like.
Okay, I'm taking a little break here, and I am seeing my box spring showing here when I make the bed. I don't like that. I'm not doing that. Gonna fix that today because that's a lot of effort, but I'm thinking of putting a what do you call it, the fitted sheet, another fitted sheet over the top of the box string, just so you don't see that. But I will need hubby's help for that, so that's not happening today. Okay, I ran out of my linen spray, so I'm just using some of my body spray to freshen up the bedroom so it smells good. And I'm just going to straighten up here in the craft room real quick. I'm straightening up the whole house is part of my 5 daily chores. It didn't really need too much straightening, just a few things. Okay, on to actual zone cleaning. So I'm going to start in the dining room here and turning on my sconce lights. And what are the cats doing? Something. I don't know what they're doing here. Alright, so remember now, I also do weekly chores in the zone that I am working in only. So I am working in zone 2. I still will straighten up the whole rest of the house, but I'm doing zone cleaning in zone 2. So I'm going to be dust, mopping, and vacuuming in that zone. And that is the dining room. So I'm going to dust the table. And I do a good dusting of the table, but then the rest of the things I just kind of just use the feather duster, and that's fine. I don't have to completely thoroughly dust everything in that zone. I just do what I can, and the next week I will do something else. I will dust something else.
Always. Be brave. We don't need far too much. Just stay brave. Beside me. Happy days. Running on the open fields. Yeah.
Yes, that ladder is still there. I'm sure you've seen it in several videos. I took it out of the garage so hubby can hang up some pictures, and that still hasn't gotten done yet. So there's that. I probably should put it back, but as soon as I put it back, then he'll decide to do it. So whatever.
Just stay brave.
Oh, see here, I'm just using the feather duster in the entryway. Because I don't feel like taking all this stuff off. And that's fine. You don't have, like I said, you don't thoroughly have to dust everything every week. I mean, seriously, it isn't even that dusty. So it's fine. Just do what you can, do what's necessary, absolutely necessary, and save the rest for another day. Yep, I killed those plants. I will need to replace those with probably some fake plants.
Say, would you like to spend your days with me? Or be brave. We don't need far too much. Just stay brave. Here beside me. Happy days. Running on the open field.
Okay, that is a lampshade that I need to return. I'm actually thinking it's been too long. Darn it, you know. That's when things bite you in the butt. That's why I need to keep going on my anti-procrastination list here. I will have a video soon. I keep saying that though, don't I? Okay, in August I will be decluttering again. I do plan on getting rid of that bookshelf there with my yarn and putting my yarn back in my craft room. And why is this 4th of July thing here? That was the only 4th of July thing I had out. And I'm just using the feather duster to dust in the library. I mean, what I could do is dust thoroughly in the dining room this week, dust thoroughly in the entry room next week, dust thoroughly in the library the next week. And, you know, the laundry room doesn't really need dusted, probably wiped down. So there's that. So, you know, but I just do what I feel like doing that day or whatever I see necessary. If it's not dusty, why am I going to dust? Let me know in the comments below how often you dust. I feel like when I watch people's YouTube videos, they're dusting every week. And I'm like, I don't feel like it's necessary to dust each spot every week, each piece of furniture. Are you doing that? I'm thinking once a month is good enough. And then I am doing zone cleaning extras, and this week I am doing the windows. Sometimes I don't always do the same thing in every zone, but I did clean the windows, Windex the windows in zone 1, my master bedroom, so I thought I would go ahead and do that here in the library. I don't do it in the dining room. I don't do it in the library. I will save that for another day. I don't want to do too much because I'll wear myself out and I won't be able to do anything tomorrow. I might, you know, need to go grocery shopping or run some errands, and I need to save some energy for that. Or go over to the Littles and hang out with them for the day. That'll wear you out for sure. Okay, one thing I need to put on my list is to scrub out that sink really well, but I'm not in the mood to do that today. I will save that for another day. Guys, I do have that free printable listed below for you, but it is a 3-page printable. So I am working on reducing that. The purpose of doing this summer one and done cleaning routine is I started it last April, and I wanted to tweak it this whole year. I know Fly Lady says you give yourself a year to do it. This is not Fly Lady, but I'm giving myself a year to do that. And now that I'm done with zone 2, I am on to finish up my daily chores, which is dishes and counters, and straighten up the rest of the house. Okay, one last thing, I believe it's one last thing, is to straighten up the guest bathroom, because I have been using that bathroom for myself because I just like this bathroom better than, or I like the shower better than the other shower. So I just have been using it. So I need to just give it a quick wipe and swipe and not fully clean it, because I will be doing that in zone 3, which you will see tomorrow. Okay, guys, and with that, I am done. Do you see the time there? 10 a.m. I actually think it was 9:53. I can't believe I got all of my daily chores done and the zone cleaning done all before 10 o'clock. Success! Yay! Finally, I will have to say that zone 2 is the easiest zone. It's not very messy and everything like that. The kitchen, that gets a mess. So there's that. But I'm pretty happy. It means I can get this done and not spend all day doing it. So, success. Yeah, and there's always something lingering. There's that pile of stuff that I decluttered from the One Box Challenge that needs to go to either my sister or my niece, and that hasn't happened yet. I'm going to hang up my apron. Okay, I'm just checking off things off of my checklist, my free printable checklist that I talked to you about. I am going to be tweaking this. In the meantime, I will link this down below, plus another one that I made up the other day. And I'm just crocheting here now that I have the time. And I will put the link down below. It is a one sheet, and it's just a basic generic one and done list. And I am watching Rachel from what is the name of her channel? I'll put it down here. And I am going to run Chewy here, and I'm done. I am going to chillax, and oh no, I'm not. I'm going to finish putting away this laundry, eat some lunch, and enjoy the rest of my day. Okay, guys, confession. This was recorded on July the 7th, and I'm just now getting around to it. I intended to post these videos closer together, but it didn't happen, and I had forgotten after I rested. I actually steam cleaned the carpet because we've been having some cat accidents. Kirby is 18 years old. What are you gonna do? And then I'm using some essential oils in the steam cleaner and to freshen it up because it smells stinky after cleaning up that mess. So I'll just let it soak for a while and check some more things off my list. Guys, the playlist will be down below if you missed any of the summer one and done cleaning routine, and stay tuned for zone 3. Until next time, enjoy your day.